Dry ice blast clean machine. It is packed in a wooden case. Very easy to open. Please wear gloves to open the case. You only need a screwdriver. You can pry it off very easily like this. Pry off all the iron sheets. First remove the upper cover. Then remove all the side panels. You can see the accessories configured by the machine. The intake pipe and ice outlet pipe are at the back of the machine. The blasting nozzles and the storage box are at the bottom of the machine. Open the cover. There are ground clips and accessory kits. This is the machine. And a list of all accessories in the package, including gloves, handguard, earplugs, seal gaskets for the intake and outlet tubes, goggles, ice shovel, ground clip, nozzle bracket and storage box, ice outlet tube, flat nozzles, common nozzles, soft nozzles, blue air input pipe. Here is pressure gauge, knob to adjust ice output, machine power switch, the leakage protection switch of the machine, the power cord, the air inlet, the exhaust hole of the machine, and an iron chain at the bottom for the grounding wire. The ice outlet of the machine, the control line socket. Install the nozzle bracket first. Install storage box on the other side. Insert the nozzles onto the bracket. Connect the air input pipe. Attention, do not use seal tape, which will lead to air leakage. The correct method is to use the seal gasket. Screw it on. Tighten it with a wrench. Connect the ice outlet pipe. Use a seal gasket. Screw it on and tighten it with a wrench. Connect the control line. Pay attention to the forward and backward insertion. Tighten it. This is the handle, double-headed quick coupler design. It can rotate. And all blasting nozzles are designed with quick connect. Very convenient to use. This is the working control switch. After turning on the machine's power switch, press this control switch. The machine will start working. Install the handguard. Connect the nozzle to the pipe. This ensures that the splashed particles do not harm people. This is the ground wire of the machine. If the workshop is with painted floor and insulation, a battery clamp needs to be used, with one end connected to the ground wire, the other end grounded to prevent electric shock. Connect the AC power supply. Turn on the leakage protection switch on the machine. Before operating the machine, check whether the ice tray can rotate normally. whether the air outlet is normal. Attention, the minimum requirement for compressed air. About the usage of the spraying nozzles. Here is the surface of the piston to be cleaned. Choose this straight nozzle. As the piston diameter is relatively small, clean the middle. When cleaning the edges, replace another type of nozzle with some angle and pointed end. After connecting, rotate the handle to clean the surrounding area of the piston. Attention, do not push the nozzle against the piston to avoid scratching the piston. Raise it a bit to help clean the carbon deposits on the edge of the piston. When cleaning the surface of the engine, a flat nozzle can be used to protect the engine while achieving the cleaning effect. This type of nozzle can be used to clean some pipes that are difficult to enter. This right-angle nozzle is used to clean some special engines. When cleaning the intake or exhaust valves of the engine, this aluminum tube can be used. There are two versions, one thick and one thin. Its biggest advantage is that it can be bent to the angle we need. Be careful not to bend at right angles to avoid breaking.